An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mahoning County, eastern Trumbull County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Ginsman to 6 miles northwest of Hubbard to Sebring and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Campbell, Boardman. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Mahoning and Trumbull.
Oh shit! No, it's getting EAS.
An urgent weather message.